since last 2 weeks. How the downtown looks like right now. This is what Calgary right now. Hello everyone, what's up? It's Saturday, 2nd March 2024 and temperature is almost minus 25 degrees Celsius feels like, and I think it's time right now 2:30 p.m. and you can see it's snowing in Calgary. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what's going on during this snowfall in this Calgary, and let's start the walk. And today I just started my walk from Center Street. It's total disaster right now. It has been snowing a lot from the last night. I don't know where they are hiding, and there. Did you hear the sound, guys? So really, like I don't know which one is the walkway and which one is roadside. Whenever I post the video of snowfall of winter outside of Canada, who are planning to come in Calgary, I'm just checking my video is like a clear or not. We're like a planning to move in Calgary or Canada. They just frequently ask me that in this this kind of weather, what should we do? Do we do work? Kids are going to school or not? Yes, everything is open. We have to go to work no matter what, and kids are going to school. If it's like a too bad, sometimes the school is closed, but work is mandatory. But during this kind of weather, if you are going to work late because the outside is disaster, if you find difficulties to, because it's for the public transit is always late in this kind of weather, so if you're late in the work, so it's okay. is Saturday and people are walking and they're enjoying the snow, or someone is enjoying the Saturday. Look at this sidewalk is too full of snow. I'm walking very slowly because of my health condition. I'm not feeling well since last 2 weeks. I had a small surgery, so I'm walking that's why a little slowly. Just start my video from my home and look at this situation right now. It's look at this roadside. It's full of snow, so So this area is newly built under homestead. It's a little bit far away from downtown, middle of nowhere. Like around this area, it's all empty right now. It's only this newly built homes, and this area has no bus route yet because it's very new. So you can see how much snow it is right now. So I'm walked a little bit slowly. It's full of snow. Yeah, this is how looks like a far from downtown neighborhood area during the snow, and God knows when they're gonna clean it. Hopefully never, because it's very low chance to come the city here to clean. And yeah,